Good day, everyone. Welcome back to BAM Sports TV, space where you get the ultimate sporting experience. Back, folks, with another video. Reigning Jamaica Premier League coaching update. Off season has been going terrific. Lots of changes and things moving around. Please remember to smash the like button, folks. A lot of you are watching the videos, but you're not hitting the like button. Let's get this video up to 100 likes. Hit the subscribe button. Share your thoughts on in the comment section. Let us know how you feel about this latest addition or appointment in the reign of Jamaica Premier League. So, Arnett Gardens again, back in the picture. Many of you would have known that two of their coaches, Xavier Gilbert and Garnet Lawrence, resigned from their roles at Arnett Gardens and have since taken up roles at Montego Bay United. So, Arnett Gardens were on the hunt for a head coach. They also will be participating in the Caribbean Football Union Club Shield competition, which if they get to the final, they can earn qualification to the CONCACAF Caribbean Club Championships. Arnett Gardens is the defending champions of the CFU Shield competition, which they won last year and made it to the CONCACAF Caribbean Club Championship. So they have appointed St. Andrew Technical High School Morning Cup coach Phillip Williams as their new head coach. Heading into this season, Phillip Williams, no stranger to the Jamaica Premier League, started his coaching career at Tivoli Gardens, did about 2 seasons there. Then he moved on to Portmore United, which I would say he had a good time at Portmore United. Spent 2 seasons there as well. Won the Link Cup, that's a knockout, all-island knockout competition, which was played about 2 seasons ago. Portmore United won that trophy, so he has won silverware there. Then at the start of last season, he joined Dunbeholin FC as their new head coach. He replaced Lenworth Hyde. However, 2 games in and 2 defeats, he resigned from that role. At the time, he cited that he was having challenges with his schedule. Being a teacher at St. Andrew Technical High School, he wasn't able to fully commit to the Dunbeholin project, and so he resigned. And then in the January transfer period, he went to Tivoli Gardens as the assistant coach for Jerome Wade. Tivoli went back to the playoff this season. However, they lost out to Montego Bay United in the quarterfinal stages. So, Phillip Williams is a highly regarded coach. Many people view him as a good tactician. Has had some good years at St. Andrew Technical High School, spearheading the football program there. They went to multiple Morning Cup finals, still haven't been able to win one as yet. Actually, they've lost quite a few of the knockout Morning Cup games and penalties. But, you would have done some good work there, had some good players come through the St. Andrew Technical High School program, some of whom have gone on to play in the Jamaica Premier League, played youth football for Jamaica, and, gone overseas as well. So he is the new head coach at Arnett Gardens. Let us know what you think about this appointment. Let us know how you think he will manage and how he will operate there. Arnett Gardens is a very tough environment to coach. But, Phillip Williams would have coached at Tivoli Gardens twice and also at Dunbeholin for a short period, which are tough environments too as well. And of course, Portmore United, which is also a tough environment given their history and the fans demand a lot. But Arnett Gardens is a different environment, and they'll get their season started off sooner than most other clubs because they'll be in the Club Shield. Understand that they'll start pre-season on Monday, June 23rd. So should be interesting times. Phillip Williams is still the head coach of St. Andrew Technical High School, so it will be interesting to see how that works out. But stay tuned, folks. For great JPL content, are you in the right place? If you get this far in the video, please remember to smash the like button and share your thoughts on in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. And as always, for great JPL content, you're in the right space. BAM Sports, YouTube. I'm out.